Hey guys, this is me Barsha. A lot of you already know about my Sikkim trip / tour series. Well, the last video I uploaded was a couple of weeks back where I was exploring some unexplored places nearby Gangtok, of course Sikkim. Well, today I'm at this beautiful frozen... wait a minute. Let me tell you from the start.
Just had breakfast
And
now we'll be moving out in 5 minutes
towards
Lachen. Our north trip has begun.
Yay! And lucky us, we could see the sun and the Kanchenjunga from here. It's a 4 to 5 hour journey from here. See you! That's our luggage. The journey to Lachen was quite the interesting one. We started off late. Actual timing was at 7 am, but then we started at 11 am. Very late because of these people, and then we started off.
Guys, it's an Indian time, man, so we need to follow the Indian time, man.
So by the time we reach, it's gonna be very late. And
we'll be reaching by 6 or 7.
And it's gonna be dark already.
Yeah.
Our driver uncle was very friendly. On the way, we saw Baiching Bhutia's residence, saw pine forest, bridges, dams, rivers, and at some tutorials too. Stop here to use the washroom and also waiting for our friends because they're in the other cab. So the roads are very bumpy. It's not that plain, so yeah, our car even got stuck on the way, but it was fine. We had to get down off the car. I also broke my tempered glass of my phone. Was really scared. But then, wait, let me just show you. Yeah, can you see that? Yeah, but it's fine. Happens in a trip, on a journey. Anyways, I'm quite sleepy right now, but the scenery is so beautiful. I don't even want to sleep. So let's see. It's again 4 more hours from here. So yeah, they look so nice, you know, walking together. Okay, soon the other cab arrived, where the rest of our friends were traveling on.
How was the journey, guys?
Very amazing. You all stopped in that thing. River. You all stopped in the bridge.
No.
Oh, we stopped in the bridge.
And then we continued back our journey. The journey itself is so amazing. All the places are just so beautiful. After crossing a lot of bridges, we reached a waterfall, which was our third stop again. So beautiful, so cold, so mesmerizing.
So good! Woo!
Few kilometers ahead from the waterfall, we reached the checkpoint from where the no plastic zone starts. So we have to carry a different water bottle from that point. Also snacks or anything we want to eat in the next 2 days. At the Chumthang village town. Now stopped here for some tea and momos, so it's a dam out there and it's getting quite cold and it's also getting dark. It's already 5 p.m. I think we would be reaching Lachen around 7 p.m. Just like that, we finally reached Lachen. It was -6 degrees. Very cold. Next morning, we headed towards the actual destination, which was the Gurudongmar lake. So we have stopped by to take the passes to Gurudongmar now. It's a lovely, lovely, lovely journey. We saw the hills and
snow-capped mountains.
yes, and it was so pretty
Sunrise.
with the sunrise. So many beautiful sceneries. It's just so heavenly and so beautiful. And it's 7:30 now. It's 1.5 hours. And my cold is getting worse. I think there's another 2 hours to reach Gurudongmar.
Serious though,
So yeah. यहाँ से रास्ता पूरा ऐसा है क्या भैया?
मैं वही तो बोल रहा हूँ। यहाँ से कितना तक होगा?
पूरा पत्थर पत्थर।
लेकिन अच्छा है ये, क्योंकि ये भी थोड़ा सी रोड बना दिए। पहले तो इसी में खत्म। इतना तो अच्छा है बोलो।
ये तो अच्छा ही है। So we were not actually sure if it was allowed to go Gurudongmar until yesterday night, and we were lucky enough. The sun was up, so we got the chance. I mean, we got lucky, and finally we are going to Gurudongmar. And the journey is quite interesting because it was the mountain filled with snow caps, and then now it's very dry, it's very dusty, but then it's very cold. And we also saw the world's largest army workshop. The rivers are frozen up. It's very interesting. The journey is amazing. It's so heavenly, it's so beautiful. I don't know what else to say. So yeah.
How's the Josh?
Hi sir. Feeling dizzy? Okay. You're okay, Prem?
Hi.
You guys are okay?
Yeah, we're fine.
Chiru, what are
Chiru, you want veg?
Put that thing.
Tumult in milk.
Chiru.
Just had breakfast, heading towards the lake now. Oh, it is actually very, 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 very cold here. By the way, you can even get oxygen masks, caps, gloves, shoes in the cafe, which is 15,000 feet above the sea level. Okay, 17,000 feet above sea level. उधर में शायद 15,000 feet था cafeteria में. World's highest. This feels like Ladakh actually. Even Karan, he have been to Ladakh, so he was just saying.
Ladakh and this is almost the same, but there's a couple of differences.
Like?
Weather-wise, climate-wise, it's all the same. But it's just that while you travel from one place to another, it's different. From Leh, when you go towards Pangong Lake, it's 120 kilometers approximately. For the first 40, you will find greeneries, and the next 40, you will find snow, like on the mountain, and the next 40, it's completely desert. So that's the beauty of Ladakh. And everybody should once in a while go to Ladakh in a bike.
3 kilometers to Gurudongmar. 3 kilometers तो कुछ भी दिखाई ही नहीं देगा. हाँ वो तो है, लेकिन we can't see anything. So it's a straight road. Guys, it's so beautiful. It's actually breathtaking, and look at the lake. It's half frozen. You can even walk actually, but it's quite scary because you might fall off because it's slippery. This is all about Gurudongmar Lake. It's a very holy, sacred place actually. People believe that if you come here and wish for something, pray for something, really Oh my god, my heart is beating really fast. Okay, so it is believed that if you pray and wish for something, you will definitely get. Yeah, it's really breathtaking. We just came down and the whole lake is frozen, but we can't even put the steps because it's cracking and it's quite scary. And yeah,
I want to go there, but I cannot.
Where
do you want to go?
It is actually so cold and the oxygen level just drops, and now my heart is beating so fast.
Same here.
The armies out there, they were saying that we should.
Scary just now when we walked up, like the oxygen. I got scared.
Exactly. I couldn't take. I was about to black out.
I know. I was thinking, what if I just fall back?
Exactly. It's quite scary, but it's fine.
China is not that far away from here. It's just nearby only. This is like the borders.
Just like 10-15 kilometers then.
Not even that, I guess.
Oh.